Hi, my name is Aidan Boyle, Clearwater Beach, Florida. I started looking at solar panels because electricity prices were getting very high here in this region. What stood out about Solar Tech Elec was they answer the phone. They show up when they say they're going to show up. They do what they say they're going to do. I have high expectations with dealing with anybody for anything, even afterwards, like getting the meter converted with the electric company. They took care of all that too. So very easy process with Solar Tech Elec. They came out, Ross came out, he explained what they would do, where they'd put the panels, how long it would take, the benefits of having solar panels versus not. We have a tile roof, so they had to cut tiles. There was no debris left after the cutting into the joist was done. Had to go into the attic, left everything clean, very professional. Before solar, my electric bills were anywhere between $600 and $800 a month, and after solar panels were installed, $42.46, I believe, a month. You save $600 a month, so you can go buy yourself a nice car. Payments of $600 a month, go ahead and do it. I was a little concerned. We went through the hurricane, the house shook. So I thought for sure I'd get up in the morning and there'd be panels missing, but nah, they're all there. Again, Aidan Boyle, Clearwater Beach. Highly recommend Solar Tech Elec. Would use it again and thinking of using it again because we may be moving to another house, and I would do it again.